won gold. The big breaking news coming in now. Neeraj Chopra has won gold for India, that elusive gold in this very important category of javelin throw. This is the 23-year-old who has proved clearly that he has the potential to be the greatest on this track and field athletes with this superb win of a gold at Olympics. 100-year wait for India ending right now. Vimal, I don't have words now. The history is with him, and certainly he's a Destiny's child.
Definitely Destiny's child, you know, and what a day for India. What a way to finish the Olympic.
Okay, I'm going to go straight to Nikhil. Let's get voices from the ground. His family first. Nikhil is joining me from Panipat. Nikhil, this is a moment of celebration, unthought of. This is history in making in front of our eyes. What is the family saying? Get me the voices.
So, Mara, we are showing you the visuals from outside the residence of Neeraj Chopra, and these are the celebrations that are taking place just right outside his residence. Everyone is so excited, so happy, because this is the first ever gold in Olympics 2020. We are running short of the network. This is the reason why we are not able to go further and talk to the family members. But you can see clearly in the visuals, tricolor is what you can see in the visuals. Thousands of people are present here. The DC, Deputy Commissioner of this particular district, is also here, and you can see people are cheering. Now Chak De India is what is being played right outside the residence of Neeraj Chopra. This is the first ever gold in the category of track and field, and first ever gold after 120 years in this particular category. In the year 1900 we had won a gold, but finally after so many years the wait is finally over, and you can see clearly people are very happy, very excited, and the first ever gold medal in Olympics 2021. This is the first ever gold. We have total 7 medal in our kitty, and this is the first ever gold, and clearly you can see people are so happy. We would like to take the reactions of some of the people, but there is doubt that
एक सुनहरा इतिहास लिखा जाता हुआ
आप यहीं पे रहते हैं, पड़ोसी हैं।
नीरज चोपड़ा
आज आपके इलाके का पहली बार गोल्ड जीता, क्या सोचते हैं?
भैया मैं यहाँ एक प्रशासनिक अधिकारी मीडिया मत लौटा।
क्या फीलिंग है, क्या भावना है? एक लड़का जो यहाँ से निकल के हम्बल बैकग्राउंड से जाता है, टोक्यो में भारत का पहला ओलंपिक लेके आता है।
ये एक इंडिया को सीख दी है, हमारे युवा आगे भी गोल्ड में और ज्यादा गोल्ड मेडल जीते।
कितनी खुशी है बताइए?
मैं बता नहीं सकता, इतनी शायद नीरज को भी खुशी नहीं होगी, क्योंकि नीरज को फर्स्ट दिन मैंने जेवलिन के लिए बोला था, और उस दिन उसने शुरुआत की थी। मैंने उस दिन कहा बेटा तुम एक दिन इतिहास रचोगे, पानीपत में मेरी जेवलिन की सबसे बड़ी टीम है, और मेरे लिए आज इतना बड़ा खुशी का दिन है, मैं बता नहीं सकता। मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा दिन है ये।
आपको क्या लगता है, क्या कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो क्योंकि कुछ हमने शॉट्स देखे वो मिस भी हो गए थे, लेकिन आखिरकार वो जीत गए?
नहीं, ये उसकी मेहनत का रंग है, ये उसकी लगन का रंग है। इसमें एक थ्रोअर तो ऐसा था जो
हमारे यहाँ क्रैकर्स कैन बी सीन in the broad daylight. You can see this is the celebration that the people of Khandra district in Panipat city are now. They are feeling very joyous. The excitement is on the grim. People are so happy. This is the first time that we have won, we have secured a medal. And remember, Neeraj Chopra is the one. He is the star javelin thrower representing India. Other player, Vetter, was there as well, and he was the one who used to be the strong competitor. But Neeraj Chopra has finally emerged as the person who has won the gold medal. So these are the celebrations we are showing you from outside the residence of Neeraj Chopra. It is truly a historic moment, a very great moment that we are being part of. And people, especially the residents of Panipat city, are really very happy because this is the first ever gold award, gold medal
in athletics. First ever medal for India in Olympics in athletics.